Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful rose bookmark, a perfect handmade gift and a lovely addition to your reading time. It's quick, fun, and perfect for practicing basic crochet stitches. We'll use 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. So grab your materials, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's get started. For the base, let's start with round 1, chain 23. Then skip the first 3 chains and make 20 half double crochet stitches across. You're doing great. Tip: keep your chains even to make a nice, straight foundation. Now, moving on to round 2. Turn your work, chain 2, and continue by making 20 half double crochet stitches. Keep your tension consistent for a smooth look. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Next is round 3. Turn your work again, chain 1, and crochet 20 single crochet stitches across. Then continue with 6 more single crochet stitches along the side. After that, work along the other side of the chain with 20 single crochet stitches. Well done. Tip: as you go along the sides, insert your hook carefully into the stitches to keep the edges neat. Wonderful! Now that the base is finished, let's move on to the beautiful rose flower part. For the flower, let's start round 1 by chaining 39. Then skip 7 chains from the hook and slip stitch into the next stitch. After that, repeat the pattern. Chain 3, skip 3 chains and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this 4 times in total. Keep it gentle, we're creating the spaces for our rose petals. Tip: relax your tension slightly here to make the petals fluffy. Now round 2. In the first petal space, chain 1, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 4 extended double crochet stitches, then 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern for each of the 5 petals. You're building beautiful full petals. Keep your stitches light and even for a delicate look. Almost there. In the next 2 spaces, let's make a slightly different petal. Work 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 extended double crochets, chain 3 slip stitch, then 2 extended double crochets, 1 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. These will form the center of our rose, adding extra texture and dimension. Great job, you're so close to finishing. And that's it! You've just made your very own rose bookmark. Isn't it adorable? I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative crochet ideas. See you next time, and happy crocheting!